Data center commissioning. Data center commissioning companies are instrumental in successfully deploying and operating enterprise data centers and data center provider facilities. Commissioning companies ensure that all systems and components within the data center operate as intended and meet performance and safety standards. Oversee the initial setup and testing of critical data center systems such as power distribution, cooling, and HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. This includes verifying that these systems are correctly installed, configured, and capable of providing the necessary redundancy and reliability. Rigorously test and validate IT equipment including servers, switches, and storage devices. They ensure that these components are properly integrated, function seamlessly, and can handle the expected workloads. Mitigate risks by identifying and addressing potential issues before they can disrupt data center operations. This proactive approach helps prevent costly downtime and data loss, which can have significant financial and reputational consequences. Data center commissioning companies are essential partners for both enterprise data centers and data center providers. Commissioning companies ensure that data center infrastructure and IT systems are reliable, efficient, and compliant with industry standards, ultimately contributing to data center operations' overall success and resilience.